The air is chilly, and the sun is just beginning to break through the morning fog. In the silence, the only sound is the garage door opening. The red tractor rolls out first, followed closely by the green one, moving slowly across the yard, one after the other. Out on the lot, the machines are ready and waiting. The green tractor pulls up to the baler. The red one reverses and hooks up the windrower. The engines hum steadily. Everything is set. In a moment, they'll head out to the field. The red tractor arrives at the field first. It stops at the edge of the stubble. The engine hums steadily, but for a moment, everything is still. Slowly, the windrower unfolds. Its arms, fitted with rotating tines, move into working position. This machine has a single purpose: to gather the loose straw and arrange it into long, compact rows. The spinning fingers sweep the straw gently but precisely to the side. Every turn brings more order to the field. The tractor moves forward, not too fast, not too slow. The pace must be steady to keep the rows clean and straight. Behind the machine, the first windrow takes shape. Even, ready for the baler. This is where the rail work begins. There's no room for guesswork. Everything must be precise. As the windrower finishes its first pass, the green tractor begins to move from the other side of the field. Behind it, a heavy, modern baler follows closely. The machine is ready to pick up the clean rows of straw laid just moments earlier. Inside, a complex mechanism compresses the straw under high pressure, forming tight, uniform bales one after another. Each bale is identical, ready for transport or storage. The green tractor moves steadily along the rows. The baler works without pause, rhythmic, efficient, reliable. The fieldwork is done. The windrows are gone, replaced by neat, compact bales scattered across the land. Now comes the final stage, loading. A transport trailer rolls into the field, long, low, built to carry tons of weight. Alongside it, a backhoe loader begins its task. With precision, it lifts each bale and places it carefully onto the trailer. This job takes focus. Every bale must be positioned evenly, safely. The process continues steadily, machines working together efficiently. The day is drawing to a close, but everything that needed to be done is done. The day begins heavy and humid. The sky is milky white, and the birds have fallen silent. The farmer looked at the weather radar. A storm is set to hit in a few hours. And in the field, 30 hectares of grain still need to be harvested. First, the trailer has to be hitched. Without it, there's no point in heading to the field. The grain needs somewhere to go. At that very moment, the sky darkens suddenly. The wind tugs at the leaves, and the air turns heavy, like just before the strike. There's no time to double-check everything. They have to go if they want to beat the rain. The rain has started. At first, it's light, like a warning, but it grows heavier by the minute. Raindrops hammer the windshield and drum against the trailer roof. The tractor is coming back from the field, full, heavy, but moving fast. Mud sprays from the wheels, and the engine growls louder than usual. The farmer grips the steering wheel tightly, focused. He knows that if the grain gets wet, the whole day's work will be lost. Day dawns on the farm. The air is cool, still damp with early morning dew. In the distance, cows are waking up, blowing slowly in rhythm with the work ahead. Inside the shed, the sound of an engine cranking to life breaks the morning calm. A red tractor rolls out, leaving a faint trail of exhaust and that unmistakable growl of power. The driver moves with steady precision, backing up toward the waiting cultivator. A few careful maneuvers, a click of the hitch, the machines are now won. It's time to head out to the field. There's no room for delays. Every hour counts. It's a battle against the land and sometimes the weather. But that's what life on a farm is, raw, real, and full of hard work and satisfaction. First, everything goes according to plan. The cultivator glides through the soil, steady, smooth, like a knife through fresh dough. The engine hums in rhythm, the work flows. And then a sudden jolt. The machine shudders. Something's not right. Beneath the surface, hidden for years in silence, lies the culprit, a rock. And not just any rock. It's massive, solid like concrete, as if ripped from another era. Nature left it here as a souvenir, and now it makes its presence known at the worst possible moment. But there's nothing wrong with that, because that stone, though big and stubborn, didn't stand a chance. It was gone by afternoon, broken, processed, ground into gravel. Now it's lying somewhere in the driveway, and it doesn't bother anyone anymore. 4 powerful John Deere tractors get to work on the field. In this short animation, each machine performs a different task: plowing, planting, and fertilizing. It's a fast-paced look at modern farming machinery in action, perfect for anyone who loves tractors and real farm work. First up, the cultivator gets to work. This powerful machine breaks up the hardened soil after the previous season, making it loose and ready for planting. Its sharp steel tines dig into the ground, crushing clumps and mixing the top layer of earth. Cultivation is a crucial first step. Without it, seeds would struggle to take root. The tractor pulls the cultivator steadily across the field, row by row, setting the stage for the work that's about to follow. Next, it's time for the seed drill to take over. This precision machine carefully places seeds into the freshly cultivated soil. As the tractor moves forward, the seed drill opens narrow furrows, drops seeds at just the right depth, and gently covers them back with soil. Thanks to this process, the seeds are evenly spaced, protected from wind and birds, and given the perfect conditions to grow. The field quickly transforms as neat lines of invisible life are planted beneath the surface, all ready to sprout in just a few days. Finally, the yellow fertilizer spreader gets to work. Mounted on the back of the tractor, this bright machine evenly spreads granules across the entire field. As it spins, nutrients fall onto the soil like a gentle rain, giving the seeds everything they need to grow strong and healthy. Fertilizing at this stage ensures that the young plants will have the best possible start, boosting growth, improving yields, and preparing the land for a successful season. With every pass, the field becomes not just ready, but rich.